and welcome all of you to my presentation. Today my presentation topic is about our nutritional needs. You know, foods are a basic need of man and we can't live without food because it is essential to lead active life. Firstly, I'm going to talk about what are the essential nutrients of a human. Mainly, you know, food consists with carbohydrate, protein, vitamin and minerals, and the extra nutrients can be considered as the fiber and water. In here, you can see the diagram of a food pyramid. According to the food pyramid, the below column consists with carbohydrate foods, then vitamin and minerals and protein, and above column consists with fats and lipid. Okay, when we talk about the nutritional needs, and question is built up, that is why we need the nutritional foods. Nutritional foods is very essential for our body because mainly the nutrients like carbohydrates supply energy, protein help to body growth, and vitamin and minerals help to protect from diseases. As well as there are two types of nutrients, they are macronutrients and the micronutrients. Macronutrients are the carbohydrate and protein, micronutrients are the vitamin and minerals. Okay, then balanced diet. It is important to say because in modern society, no one compelled to take a balanced diet. As a result of that, many people suffer from obesity, diabetes and gastritis. In here, the balanced diet should be mainly consist with 3 main meals and 2 supplementary meals that are well balanced. And when we take a balanced diet, it is help to maintain a healthy life. Okay, now I'm going to talk about what are the stages that our nutritional needs may be changed. They are the infant, childhood, adolescence, youth and the old age. Those stages are begin from mother's womb. Firstly, nutritional needs during the infant. Until 6 months, infant feed from mother's breast feeding. Mother's milk contain all the types of nutrients like carbohydrate, protein, vitamin and minerals. And after the 6 months, complementary feeding is start. In complementary feeding, all the types of nutrients can be given to the infant. In here you can see some diagrams of complementary feeding. And nutritional needs during childhood. During childhood, more nutrition is needed for our body for adequate growth, to supply energy and to protect from diseases. During childhood, we should pay attention to take a balanced diet because during childhood some children may suffer from diabetes and obesity. Therefore, we should maintain a balanced diet. Then nutritional needs during adolescence. During adolescence also, we can see accelerated growth between height and weight. Therefore, more much nutrition is needed for our body. And during adolescence, the nutritional requirements differ from each other by the age, gender, status of health and the level of physical activity. Okay, now I'm going to talk about what are the bad eating habits of the adolescents. In modern society, children, adolescents and youth are adapted into an irregular food pattern. Due to irregular food pattern, many types of problems could occur. The bad eating habits are the missing the breakfast, eating junk foods and fast foods, consuming more oily foods, consuming alcohol and liquor. When we eat those, excess amount of calories and less amount of nutrients supplied to our body. Therefore, there is a high risk of falling diseases. And when we talk about what are the consequences of those bad eating habits, they are the overweight and obesity, diabetes, cancer, deficiency of micronutrients and disability to walk for a long period of time. In here you can see some diagrams of fast foods. Here you can see clearly the difference between nutritional foods and junk foods. Nutritional foods always supply more nutrients to our body, and junk foods always contain excess amount of chemicals and preservatives. You know, chemicals are harm to our body, and we should always wisely choose nutritional foods than the junk foods. Okay, in orderly, I'm talk with you what are the nutritional needs and why we need the nutritional needs, and the stages of the nutritional needs may be changing in infant, childhood and adolescence. And it is the time to end of my presentation.